The pins group of controls allows manipulation of individual pins. If we set the mode to Pins Add and click on an edge of an outline, the edge is subdivided. This is often useful for improving tone matching. If we click inside the outline, a free-floating pin is created. A free-floating pin is often useful to make adjustments to features inside an outline. If we set the mode to Pins Move, we can move an individual pin rather than the entire outline it belongs to. If we set the mode to Modify Usage, we can change the usage attributes of a group of pins by dragging a box around them. We can also modify a single pin by clicking on it. A pin's usage attribute determines how it affects building an overlay. By default, a pin has a usage attribute with a value of position and tone, which means it affects both positional mapping and tone matching if tone matching is enabled. When we move a position and tone pin, both the grid and the overlay is deformed, and the tinting can be changed. Other values for the usage attributes are position. When we move a position pin onto an area of a different color, it doesn't affect the tinting of the overlay, but we can see the grid being distorted. Tone. The pin only affects the tone matching. When we move a tone pin, it affects the tinting of the overlay, but it doesn't affect the shape of the grid. None. The pin affects neither the positional mapping or the tone matching. When we move a none pin, it doesn't affect the shape of the grid or the tinting of the overlay. It only controls what area is included by the overlay.